Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. This week we get to look at a theme park view room at Walt Disney World's Contemporary Resort. It's a gorgeous, spacious, airy room with a beautiful view of the Magic Kingdom and Seven Seas Lagoon. Just a wonderful room with all sorts of Incredibles touches since they've been remodeled. When you're ready to book your next Disney cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks. Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at a room at Disney's Contemporary Resort, so let's take a look. It's a beautiful theme park view room, and it's one of the new rooms that's been renovated in the Incredibles theme. You can see all the artwork, the masks on the walls and things like that. And it's just a beautiful room, very light and airy and spacious. There's Frozone on the pillow, and they have Disney Mickey Mouse towel art on the bed, and there's Edna Mode on the other bed. You can see there's two queen-size beds, and both of the beds are lofted, so you can put your luggage underneath the beds. So more storage room. You have a little night table over here on the side of the bed with plenty of plugs and USB plugs, and they have these individually controlled reading lights that you can move around, and they turn off when you put them away. Very nice. And you have another coffee table over here and a little ottoman that you can pull out. And you have this beautiful sofa with a nice big coffee table over here. And this sofa also converts into a single bed. You just pull it down like that, and you can see there's the bed right there. So it's a nice, comfortable single bed, not a sleeper, but a convertible single bed. Beautiful. There's also this beautiful big flat screen TV right here on the wall, and when you check in, it welcomes you by name. Ours said, "Welcome Matthews family." So just wonderful addition to these beautiful rooms. And all sorts of lights. You have more storage and night table over here with more plugs and more USB plugs. So plenty of plugs in these rooms. And they also have more plugs and light controls in the center with another night table, and also Incredibles themed. They have the train from Incredibles 2 and more switches and everything you could want. And the best part of this room, since it's a theme park view room, is the view. So here's the view from our balcony. You come right outside and you can see there's the Magic Kingdom right there. Just gorgeous. So we're gonna watch the fireworks tonight. And you have a beautiful view of Seven Seas Lagoon and all the boats going back and forth. Grand Floridian. And over there on the other side, and Polynesian on the left side. And there's the convention center, which is part of the Contemporary Resort. I also have two chairs and a coffee table, so you can imagine yourself sitting out here on your beautiful balcony, enjoying the beverage of your choice. So just beautiful. It's a gorgeous day here in Florida. Coming back inside, we have an adjoining door. So if you had other guests that were with you, you can get adjoining rooms and open the door so you can connect. You have a coffee service, Keurig coffee service, and a nice bucket, of course. And down here is a mini fridge. So you can keep the food or beverages of your choice cold. And more storage. Oh, there's cups and Keurig pods for the coffee service. And here's more storage. A nice closet with a safe for your valuables. And plenty of shelves and additional drawers. And you have another closet here. So plenty of storage space. So, and they have extra bedding, and it's just really cute. You can see the super suits hanging there for the Incredibles. So very fun. And more drawers down below. And then coming into the bathroom, you have a nice big double vanity, which is just beautiful, and storage underneath the sink. You have a makeup mirror, a nice big soaking tub right here, and a nice shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand. So all the amenities, and they have H2O amenities, which are very nice. They have those in most of their luxury resorts. They have them over here too. right by the double vanity, the two sinks, so two people can be using the sink at the same time. And here's the facilities and more artwork of Jack Jack. Here's one cool thing. When you close the door to the facilities, both sides close at the same time. So someone can have privacy in there while someone else is using the sink out here, which is very nice. So just a gorgeous room. We're thrilled to be here on this beautiful day in Orlando. Contact us when you're ready to book your next Disney cruise, and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our channel, please like and subscribe to our videos and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.